Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shy Haze, and I'm back with another video. This is all about Glow Girl Cosmetics, yay! So look inside, it's so super duper pretty. There goes that Glow Girl Cosmetics headband that I just love and already is addicted to, like it's so bomb. And here's the 24 karat gold power eye mask. These are so bomb, like it's so hydrating. I'll give you more information on that later on in the video. And this is the matching lip mask. This is also hydrating and it feels so good. I love this little bowl, little mixing bowl for the clay mask. And right here is some sanitizing spray, which is so cute. I love their little logo. And it comes with this silicone brush. Y'all, look at it. It's better than using a makeup brush to apply the mask, which is so great. Less bacteria. I'll give you guys more information on that later. And this is the Dermo Roller roll and repair face system. Oh my god, I gotta tell you guys what happened to it. Also, this is the star of the show, the Glow Girl Refresh Clay Mask. It is absolutely the most refreshing thing ever. So I am starting off with the Glow Girl Refresh Clay Mask, and this actually has aloe vera, matcha, green tea, eucalyptus, and cucumber in it. This is fresh green and bentonite free. So I'm mixing it in the bowl. I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of it, and I'm going to mix it with some warm water. And as you can see, I'm using like that really silicone brush, and I'm just going to glide it onto my face. Look how evenly it applies. It's actually better to use a brush like this rather than a makeup brush or like any brush that has bristles on it. This is more this is just more clean and it's easier to use because it doesn't keep all the bacteria in it from all the bristles. So I'm just applying this on, and you want to put it on your whole face. So this actually made my face really smooth and really soft, and you want to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes until it gets dry. As you can see, that it's starting to get a little dry over my lip and around the edges of my face, and you could tell because it's a lighter green. And I'm just gonna wait till it gets dry. You want to see me taking a couple of pictures so I could tell my Snapchat family all about this product. Follow me on Snapchat at beautiful_haze, spelled with 2 E's, just so you can stay in the loop all about Glow Girl, how I feel about the products, and updates on it. Also, don't forget to use my code DB40 to save 40% off your next purchase. So this actually smells really well, and that's because of the cucumber and the green tea. So I'm going to let this dry again for 10 to 15 minutes. And when I come back, you're going to see my face is a lighter green. And when that's done, I'm going to wash that out with some warm water. And I'm going to towel dry my face with a nice clean towel. So after my face was washed, I felt really good. Started singing. I almost felt this girl was fighting and no love for me, hanging off the passenger side. So as you guys can see, yeah, I broke it. I totally broke the Derma Roller, and I'm so upset because I really wanted to use it and I heard so many great things about it. But let's get into this gold eye patch. What this does is really cool because I have dark circles. You guys already know I am half raccoon. So this actually helps you get rid of puffy eyes, wrinkles, crow's feet. Just help you with if you have dry skin, which is really great because I have dry skin and I have dark circles. And when I took this off, I saw a complete difference, and it feels so hydrating while it's on. You start to feel real good, like yes, you can hear my skin. And here's also the 24 karat lip mask, and it feels awesome, like seriously. Put that on, you wait about 10 to 15 minutes as well. And then I'm also going to show you guys that you can still talk with it on or whatever. Or you can sing, you can do whatever you want, whatever you put your mind to. So I'm actually back, 10 or 15 minutes passed, and I'm just going to show you guys how relaxing it is to have this on. So basically the time passed, it's time to take these off, and look at the glow. Look how beautiful this looks. It's so effortlessly, even the headband laid my lace down. Like, what lace? My wig is sitting right, my skin is glowing. It feels good when you have great skin, when you know your makeup's gonna apply better, you know you can get through the day without any cracking. It's just a great feeling. So I'm actually out of here, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.